Hello, in this shorter video I will show you something called precompiled headers. Since we have these includes here that we will most probably need to have include everywhere, we can combine those so that they're not compiled every time we change something. In other words, we will have a faster compile times. So I add one more file called precompiled.h. This file will contain the headers that we want to have precompiled. To have it work correctly though, we need a special setup in CMake. So I go to the CMake file, and here at the bottom I add this command, target precompiled headers. There will be for the Vulkan engine executable as a private setting, and I will copy the path from here above, so that I only have to add the precomp file. I save the file so that the project gets reconfigured. I will then remove these headers from the main and go and paste them inside precomp. Now, when I return to the main file, you can see that all errors disappear. Now we don't have any includes up top for the precomp, which is a neat feature. I will also remove this include from GOFW initialization file. Now let's add a few more includes to be precompiled. I will add string and string view, and let's not forget the pragma ones. And I go back to the main. Everything is starting to look neat. I'll just remove this underline here by making the initialization object const. We don't need to specify this value for not now here too. And we can now build and run this application. Seems fine.